Hello, my beautiful ladies. It's Greta here, ladies relationship coach. And today, my queens, I will share with you what is a healthy relationship. And I will try and break it down for you ladies in 5 ways. Ladies, just before I start, in the ideal world, you would know these 5 things before you get in a relationship, so then you can start your relationship fresh, new, exciting, fulfilling, and healthy. However, we don't live in the ideal world, and if you are not in a very healthy relationship, get aware of that and start to implement these things right now. So the first tip, ladies, would be in order to have a happy and healthy relationship, first you must have a happy and healthy relationship with yourself. Ladies, it all comes down to self-love. So you must learn how to value, cherish, respect, and adore yourself first. How to love yourself so much that your cup is overflowing, as Oprah says. And when you love yourself so much that your cup is overflowing, this is when you can give your extra love to others. Ladies, you must show to others how to love you. Give him an example of you loving yourself. When people will see how you love yourself, this is how other people will start to treat you too. So for example, if you want to be treated like a queen in a relationship, you must start loving yourself and you must start putting yourself first. A queen puts herself and her kingdom first. She puts her goals, dreams, and ambitions first. If you want to be treated like a queen, again, you must put yourself and your kingdom first. Then other people will start putting you first too. If you want to be treated like a low value woman, you put your man first and then he puts you second too. The other tip is making yourself happy. He is not in charge of your happiness. You are. When you put your happiness into someone else's pocket, what happens when they decide to make you sad instead? Your happiness completely and totally depends on you. Respect yourself. Ladies, my really good friend said this to me. He said, Greta, a man does not respect another man who does not respect himself. Can you imagine, does a man respect a woman who does not respect herself? No, he does not. He takes her for granted and he starts walking all over her. Is the whole point of the tip number 1. If you want to have a healthy relationship, first you must have a happy and healthy relationship with yourself. The second tip, ladies, if you let your emotions take over, you lose in life and in your relationship. If you will start to act crazy, he won't respect that and other people won't respect you either. They will just think like, oh my God, this woman is dealing through some stuff, she's lost her emotional control, she's having a tantrum, she's not behaving very mature. Ladies, in order to control our emotions, we must understand why we lose them. And we lose our emotional control when we don't feel safe and secure. The reason we usually don't feel safe and secure is because we assume the worst. We assume the worst. Why? Because of the lack of knowledge, which comes down to knowledge is power. So in other words, when we understand why things happen the way they happen, and when we have appropriate solutions how to deal with those things in a way that it benefits us, we are chilled in life, with friends, with family, and with our loved ones. The guy too. For example, when you are an expert in your field, when you have the knowledge, and when problem happens in your field, you have the appropriate solution for it, you're not gonna go crazy. The only time we go crazy when we don't understand what is happening. Ladies, you need to become an expert in self-awareness, an expert in your relationship, and an expert at understanding him. So you know the solutions to the problems that come up and you feel safe and chilled in your relationship. Ladies, please watch my video, What is a Crazy Girlfriend?, where I break things down for you, give you the solutions, and then there is no need for you to go crazy anymore. The third tip to have a happy and healthy relationship is understanding each other's needs. Understanding that we are here to complement each other, that we are not the same and we are not here to compete with each other. If we were the same, then we would all be men in this world, or we would all be women. The Creator designed us very wisely to complement each other. To prove my point, let me share a couple of different needs that men and women have. For example, believe it or not, since Stone Age, not much has changed how we are designed biologically. If we have a child who is born, let's say, in this modern society, and we put that child in a jungle, that child will become a jungle boy or a jungle girl still, same as a long time ago, right? So ladies, let me share with you a couple of different needs that men and women have. Here we are. Women were designed to nurture and care. This is why we get pregnant and this is why we have babies. Men were designed to pursue, hunt, be the providers. It makes them feel good. Same as it makes us feel good to nurture and care, same it makes men feel good to pursue, hunt, and provide. Women need and enjoy safety. Men need and enjoy uncertainty. When women get overwhelmed, they need to talk and share their feelings, emotions. The more we talk, the better we feel. When men start to feel overwhelmed, they need to pull away. Another difference would be women talk to vent, men give solutions. So ladies, these are just little drops of the different needs between men and women, just for you to understand that we are not the same. Yes, we are equal nowadays, which is fantastic, but we are not the same. Please watch my video on the opposite sex different needs, which you can find just by following the link right here. The fourth tip of having a healthy relationship is knowing how to set the healthy boundaries in. And ladies, a high value woman is not just going to apply the healthy boundaries in her relationship. She will apply the healthy boundaries in life also, with friends, family, and loved one. The healthy boundaries are how you show to a man how to respect you, how to show to a man how to value you, how to show to a man how to fulfill your love needs. Basics of the healthy boundaries are you reward the good behavior, you ignore the bad behavior. Again, as I said, it works with dogs, kids, and men too. And if I add more, your friends and family and everyone else. Let's be fair, right? Ladies, if you want to know how to set the healthy boundaries in detail and how to get a man to value and respect you, please follow the link right here. The fifth tip of having a healthy and happy relationship is encouraging each other's growth. All right, it's encouraging each other to be the best version of themselves. How to encourage a guy to be the best version of himself? By being the best version of yourself. By continuously growing and improving yourself, by setting in an example. Ladies, even if you're dating a low value man, you can invest a certain amount of time by continuously growing yourself, by continuously fulfilling your needs, by being happy what will happen is, if a guy is wise, he will start seeing how come you're constantly happy, how come you're such an amazing person, what are you doing with your life that you look so fulfilled, and then he will start copying you too. However, not all the people are so open-minded, and some people just stick with their negativity and blaming others, and we don't want to get out of their low-value mindset. So I would recommend not to invest too much time, as some people just are not open to growth. Ladies, if you want to have a happy and healthy relationship, you must really love yourself so much where you become really confident. Only when you're secure and confident, you can trust the other person. When you trust the other person, this is when you encourage them and motivate them to grow and be their best self. When you are insecure, this is when you become controlling and you are scared of the other person's growth, because you feel like, oh my god, if we're gonna grow more, we're gonna become a better person, we're gonna be more successful, and I feel so threatened by it, and I'm gonna lose that person because he or she will find someone else. Okay, this is a very unhealthy mindset, which long term is just not going to make you happy. Oh, my beautiful ladies, if you liked this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Join my Greta's High Value Women's School. It's a free Facebook group where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be the best versions of ourselves in life and in the relationships. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And if you would like me to hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your guy, you can always book me as a coach through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. Thank you for watching, Queens. Kisses from London. Mwah.